Hello everyone, and welcome to my first quick tips in this series. Those annoying pop-ups, the notifications you get at the bottom right corner of your screen. Sometimes you get numerous. You'll click on one to get rid of it, another one comes up, another one comes up. So we have a way we can turn that off so you don't have those annoying notifications that come up on your screen. And as a bonus tip, we also have a way that you can lock your screen. An example of this would be if you're in the middle of something, working on a program, presentation, whatever, and you have to step away from your computer for a while or a few minutes, temporarily. You can lock your screen so no one else can get in that. The only way we could do that before would be to shut it down, so that no one could get into your computer unless they booted up and put your password in. With the lock screen, the only thing you would have to do when you return is just put in your password and you're right back where you left the computer. Very convenient and saves a lot of time and protects your computer from somebody getting inside. So we have those for you. And today is the 17th of December. And so with that, let's get started. All right. See if we can get rid of these notifications that pop up in this corner right here. So they usually pop up right around here. All kinds of annoying pop-ups. Notifications, one after another. So what we want to do is we go right down here to the Windows icon on the bottom lower left-hand corner, right here. And we're going to click on that. We're going to come up to the gear wheel, which is settings. Okay, there. And we click on that. Then we're going to go up to systems at the top. And we're going to click there. Then we go right here. And it says notifications and actions right here. We want to click on it. And then what we want to do is move over here under notifications. We want to click the on. We want to turn off. Come down here and just click in the box here to uncheck it. Clicks in this one to uncheck it. And that is it. Come up here, get out of this. And that is it. You have stopped the notifications. And if you ever want to turn it on again, you just go up and do the same thing and click and just turn it on. All right. And a bonus tip is, let's say you're busy, you don't want to shut your computer off, but yet you don't not want anybody to get onto your computer. You have to take a break or whatever. A quick way to do this is on your keyboard. You'll see the Windows key. It's the Windows key and the L key at the same time. And if you push the Windows key and the L key at the same time, here's what'll happen. I got the Windows key and the L key. Okay. You will need your password to just gain access. Okay. So that's just the Windows key and L. And it temporarily locks your system. No one can get in unless they key in your password. and enter, and I'm back. You can have a program running, doing whatever. All you do is hit the Windows key and the L at the same time, and it will lock your screen. So you can do what you have to, and then when you come back, just enter your password, and you're back in business. And that does it for our first quick tip video. And if you'd like to see more of these quick tips, just click on the subscribe button below and hit the little bell icon, and you will be notified of the other quick tips that come up. And also, if you like this video tutorial, just give me a thumbs up. Okay? Alright, well, safe surfing, and thanks. Bye for now.